Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set 6. So I will give you guys some time to read the questions. So just pause the video right here and read the first part, and this is the second part. So yeah, I think you have read the question. So this question suggests us that there is a academic called SQL, and they need to and then they decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in their educational institution. So SQL Academy is an educational institution. So the commission was given to the Targa software solution, and they tell us to imagine that we are working as a senior software engineer for that company, and yeah, and we need to create this database according to this requirement. So to create the database, you can use any other tool such as MySQL Workbench or HeidiSQL or Navigat. I'm using Navigat to create the database. So the first question suggests that we have to create the database called SQL Academy. So let's just copy this and let's just minimize all of this. And yeah, first of all you have to select a connection. So you have to select an existing connection and right click anywhere and select new database. Click new database, and for the new database name, give this SQL Academy. Yeah, and yeah, for the character set, give UTF-MB3 and leave this as it is. So and click OK. So if it is created, and so where is it? Okay, here. So as you can see, there are no tables because we haven't created any tables. So to create tables, so we have completed the first question. Second question suggests that we have to create a table called student with following columns. So let me just create click this new table. So you have to select the database and click on new table, and for the column names I will copy this. So this is the primary key of this table, in case you didn't know. So primary key means that every student can be uniquely identified with the student registration number. So that's why. So the data type is varchar because it's a code, and yeah, and the data length, the maximum data length is 10. So I guess every primary key has 10 digits. I mean 10 mix of numbers and letters. So yeah, that's, and we are going to make the second column name, first name. So the data type is varchar, which means it's a string. It is another word for a text in programming languages. So when you hear the word string, it's, imagine the data type as text. The data that we are going to be using is text. So the data length is 45. So let me just adjust this to 45, and you have to select the not null checkbox. I almost forgot that because we are not taking any null values here, so better to check this, and click add field to add a column. So the next column is last name, and also the data type is varchar and the length is 45, and we have to check the not null box, and we have to create two more tables, name, gender, which is varchar 45 not null, and contact number is varchar which is 10. So some might say that contact number can be input as int, but it is wrong because contact number is like a code, because we are not doing any mathematical operations with contact number. So better this is the correct data type. And if you are all set and done, just like I did, click save, and you have to give the table name here. So I guess the table name is student, call student. So copy this and paste it here and click on save. So if everything is done, you got a table like here, call student, and it got following tables such as student registration number, first name, last name, gender, and contact number. So that's that. And we have successfully completed the second question. And the third question suggests that we have to enter the following data into the table graphically. So I will input like uh, two records. So the first, you have to you have to go select the database, relevant database, Segal Academy, and click on the student table to select the table, and then you can just close here, and yeah, uh, student registration number means STU001. First name is Samal, last name is Pereira, gender is male, and contact number is this. And if all is done, just click here, and yeah, it is inserted automatically. So I will input the second record in the same manner. So I have inserted the second record also. So there are like a couple of records which we have to include. So I will see you guys in a bit after inserting those. So I have inserted all the records needed. So I have fulfilled the third question. I have answered the third question successfully. So the fourth question suggests that we have to make changes uh, to following records. So yeah, you have to run update queries to this. So they have given us like a hint to this. So the first question suggests that the first part of the fourth question suggests that we have to change the gender of the student whose index number is STU006 as female. No, it is marked as female, but we have to change that to male. So yeah, so select new query, and sorry, we have to update what table. Okay, so you have to update the student table, right? The student set registration okay, set gender equals female, right? Yeah. um, yeah, yeah. Okay, so student registration number there. Okay, I don't know why it is in showing that, so I'll just type it here. the student registration number equals this. So that's that. And let me before running this query, it is the female, so we have to change that to male, right? Okay, this always good to double check. So yeah, this should be changed to male. So let me run this, and if you refresh this, it is changed to, okay, it is changed to male. Yeah, so to give you guys a summary of the update query, so if you just go to W3 schools, so here's the syntax. First you have to include the table name which you are gonna make changes, and the what the column name is, and the values which you are going to update. So this is like a one set, and this is like another set. So these like sets, name of some number of sets. So that you have to first include the column name and the value, column name and value. So that's that. And the which when the conditions which you are wanna change these things, wanna make changes. So yeah, I will execute the second part. So you have to change to okay, Naduni Vijay Singh's student registration number. This is stored in the database to send. Oh, so yeah, so this is the record. So you have to change. You have to. Okay. I think I have to run this. It is the same table. So it's the student registration number. So let me copy this. Registration number to this. This. The student registration number is this, right? STUD. Okay, this. So let's run this. So it is updated. So there is no record such as STUD. So it is changed. And yeah. So we have successfully updated this. And the third part suggests that we have to change the student first name must be changed to Kalani, where the index number is this. So you can just copy this and run the same update. This 0 20 is missing, and yeah. So before this STU020 is Lahiru Kalmanathan. So this should be changed to Kalani, right? The first name should be changed to Kalani. So the first name should be changed to Kalani. So yeah, you run this and refresh this. Yeah, see, it is changed. So what did we learn here? So the condition you can use like the same. I mean, if I have to run the this was a special case because we are updating the same. You can also update the same column which you are giving the condition. So that's a special case to remember. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again next time. Peace.